When you see these new games popping up everywhere, especially the ones flashing rewards, cash payouts, the first thing you ask is this actually real?
Mhm.
Or is it just, clever marketing around a pretty standard puzzle?
Exactly.
So today, we're going to dive into the source material you sent over, specifically looking at this puzzle game, Lucky Blastmaster. Seems quite popular.
Right. And our mission here is, well, to cut through that hype, we need to look at these reviews, these notes, and really figure out, is this game a way to actually earn cash?
Or is it just fun?
Or is it purely, a fun way to kill some time? Basically, it's a match and blast game. Aligned gems, clear levels, pretty standard stuff on the surface.
Okay, right. So let's talk about it just as a game first, because the sources, they actually seem pretty positive about the core mechanics, don't they?
Yeah, surprisingly so. It's not just, oh, nice colors.
No, they talk about it being genuinely fun, even addictive, how the difficulty scales up nicely. And they specifically mention these tools, like rocket boosters, bombs, things that help you clear tough spots, big explosions.
Yeah, the power-ups. And that's smart design, right?
Yeah,
The reviews point out the levels are tricky enough to keep you interested.
but not so hard you just give up.
Exactly. Not frustrating. And then there's the practical side. It works offline.
Oh, that's a big one.
Huge.
Right.
Means you can play it literally anywhere, anytime. That drives engagement, keeps people coming back. That's, key for any casual game success.
Okay, so the game itself sounds solid, fun, playable anywhere, great for passing time.
Mhm.
But let's be honest, that's probably not why you are listening so closely right now. You shared these sources wanting to know about the money.
Right.
So we have to pivot. Forget the fun aspect for a second. Is this thing actually about profit? Can you earn from it?
Okay, yeah. This is the core finding from digging into the sources. And it's important to be really clear here.
Lay it on us.
The sources confirm pretty much unanimously that Lucky Blastmaster is legitimate as a game.
As a game. Okay.
Right. It's great for casual entertainment. It's well made. It's distracting in a good way.
Yeah.
That's the positive.
But there's always a but with these things, isn't there? The hype is about the rewards. How does it handle that expectation? Did the sources get into the mechanism?
They did. And this is where it gets, well, kind of clever, maybe a bit misleading, depending on how you look at it.
Hmm.
The game uses all this financial imagery. You clear a level, bam, you get showered with virtual coins, points, but they look like cash. Dollar signs, stacks of bills, that kind of thing.
Ah, okay. So it feels like you're stacking up real money.
Precisely. It simulates that feeling of earning, keeps you motivated, makes you think you're building up this little fortune inside the game.
Right. Keeps you playing, chasing that bigger score.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But here's the kicker, the critical caveat. It's usually buried somewhere small, maybe terms and conditions.
The fine print.
It's the fine print, yeah.
Yeah.
The reviewers found it. Despite any claims, despite how much virtual cash you rack up, the app explicitly states it does not provide real money rewards or cash withdrawals.
Ah,
There it is.
yep. Those cash symbols are just points. Game score. Nothing more. So the sources are really direct. If you are specifically looking to earn money, this app,
Not the one.
absolutely not suitable. It's a masterclass, really, in using the idea of financial gain to drive engagement while legally making sure no actual money changes hands.
Okay, so bottom line for you listening,
Mm-hmm.
you've got the definitive answer now. Lucky Blastmaster. Play it for fun. Enjoy the gem blasting, the levels.
It's a decent game for that.
Yeah, enjoy it purely as entertainment, but just know that all those dollar signs, that's just part of the game's look and feel. It's not hitting your bank account.
Which, brings up a really interesting thought for you to chew on, doesn't it? About why we play these things. If you take away the money motivation for a fact you won't earn a cent, but the game is still super addictive.
Yeah. What is it then that makes it so compelling? What keeps you coming back for hours? Just the fun of matching gems. What does that tell you about the real value we get from simple casual entertainment versus maybe chasing potential profit?
Something to think about next time you download one of these, huh?
Definitely.
Go.
It's really driving you.